So she said, well explained. I watched endless ghosting, no contact videos, then realized I was stuck. Once I stopped, boom, movement. So you need to be proud of yourself that you figured out that was what was keeping you stuck. And once you stopped doing that, you started seeing movement in your reality. Because once you continue to watch these videos that, aren't about law of assumption and it's all about ghosting, no contact, how to get somebody back, and you are constantly watching that every single day, your subconscious mind will believe that you are not with your person now. And your job is to convince your subconscious mind that you have exactly what you desire. So if you are constantly watching videos on how to get somebody back and no contact, ghosting, that why they ghosted you, etc., that are not about law of assumption, you are going to get stuck and you are self-sabotaging yourself because you are not in the state of having what you desire right now. Because in your reality, in your mind, you are with your person right now. You guys are in constant communication. You guys are in a happy, loving, committed relationship. There is no ghosting, no contact, because in the 5D, in your mind, that is what you're creating. You have to live in your mind in the wish fulfilled, and then it gets pushed out into your 3D reality. Because the thing is, we understand that, yes, if you went through a breakup and you are in no contact or you did get ghosted, it was all coming from us because of how we feel about ourselves and about how we perceive that other person. But if we continue to focus on, not being in contact or getting ghosted or they're not back yet, then that is what you will continue to experience in your reality until you shift into the state of having what you desire right now. So again, be proud of yourself and keep going no matter what. You got this. Follow me for more tips.